Today, I'll show you how to use Agoda for group booking. If you're planning a trip with family, friends, or colleagues, booking everyone's rooms together can save time and help avoid mistakes. In this walkthrough, I'll take you from logging in all the way to setting up multiple rooms in a single reservation so your group is organized and ready to go. First, make sure you're logged in to your Agoda account before you do anything else. This step is important because being logged in helps you see your saved details, access any loyalty benefits, and keep all your bookings in one place. If you don't log in first, you might have to re-enter information later, or your reservation might not show up correctly in your bookings list. So, open Agoda, look for the login option, and sign in with your account. Once you see your profile or account icon, you're ready to move on. In this video, you'll learn how to set up your search for a group right from the start. Before you search for a place to stay, set the number of rooms and guests. This is crucial for group bookings because Agoda will use these details to show you hotels and room types that can actually accommodate your entire group. Look for the section where you can choose your destination, dates, and then adjust the number of rooms and guests. Increase the number of rooms to match how many separate rooms your group needs, and update the number of adults and children accordingly. Take a moment to think about who is sharing rooms and how many people will be in each room, so you don't underbook or overbook. Once you've set up your search with the correct rooms and guests, it's time to choose a suitable hotel. I'm going to walk you through how to think about this specifically for a group. When the results load, look carefully at things like location, reviews, and amenities, but also pay attention to whether the property clearly supports multiple rooms for your dates. Check the room descriptions to see if the same room type is available in the quantity you need. It can be helpful to open a few options in new tabs and compare them, especially for differences in cancellation policies and breakfast options, which can matter a lot when you're managing a group. After you've found a hotel that fits your needs, I'll show you the easiest way to complete a group booking in one go. On the hotel's page, review the room types and make sure the number of rooms available matches what you selected earlier. When you proceed to book, Agoda will allow you to book multiple rooms in one reservation. This means you'll go through a single checkout process that covers all the rooms you've chosen instead of repeating the booking process over and over. During this step, pay close attention to how the guests are assigned to each room and double-check the dates and total number of rooms before you confirm. Keeping everything under one reservation makes it much easier to manage changes later, track payments, and share confirmation details with your group. By following these steps, you'll be able to use Agoda confidently for group bookings, making the whole experience smoother and more organized for everyone traveling with you.